At the end of this one is a short video clip of the boat's destruction. Four male narco terrorists headed for the U.S. with a substantial cache of drugs was attacked and destroyed off the coast of Venezuela in international waters, according to Pete Hegseth. President Trump informed Congress that the U.S. is in a non-international armed conflict with drug cartels, declaring cartels to be terrorist organizations and their members unlawful combatants. This is the latest in a handful of such strikes that are a major departure from previous policy of interdicting and arresting narcotics traffickers. What's your take on this new approach?